Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick Tip Tuesday for you. We're gonna talk about doing a cheat for winged liner. I have a couple tools for you. I'm gonna try and make this really short and sweet because I actually have to get to work too. So this is perfect time to show you how to do a quick winged liner that you don't really have to know a ton of technique for, but at the same time you actually you learn something new from it, hopefully. If not, well then I guess you watch a different channel. Okay, so tools, what you're gonna want is a felt tip liner. So I have two good felt tip liners for you here. This is the Mary Kay felt tip liner. It is a little bit of a thicker tip. See, perfect. And then the Essence waterproof eyeliner pen, and this one has a little bit finer tip. It's still just, it only comes in black, the waterproof does. Same with this one. If you want brown, Jordana comes out with they have a brown liner that's really nice. The other thing you kind of want to keep around when you're trying to do a wing liner is some eye makeup remover and a Q-tip, just in case you want to fix some things. Keep in mind when you're doing your liner, your eyes are not exactly the same. And so you're gonna have to try and practice and see how to get the most symmetrical looking lines. I'm not perfect at it either. Also, when you have these eyeliner pens, just pro tip, store them down, store them so the tip is down, so that since they're felt tip pens, so that the actual eyeliner stays in the tip of the pen, okay? So, pro tip. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have my little mirror here, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that to show you what I'm doing, and we'll go from there, okay? So, I might just do one eye and then explain what I did and do the other eye, because it's hard to do your eyeliner and talk at the same time, ever, right? Okay, so what I like to do is I like to go so I kind of stamp it on, and that's how I start. I stamp on that little corner and drag it down to the edge of my eye. Then I open my eye really wide and I connect it. Okay? Then I place the tip and drag it halfway in. Okay? So we're starting to have that winged look. Then I flip my eyeliner around and I get the edge. And I work my way in. Okay, not perfect, right? There we go. Okay, so I have a winged look, right? All right, now let's try and do the other side so that it kind of matches, right? So same thing, I'm gonna stamp that down. Maybe I'll just use this. Another good thing is use a lighter touch at the tip and then kind of press down more. So drag that halfway in. Okay, now flip it around and stamp and drag. Okay, now I'm going to use my mirror. Stamp and drag, stamp and drag. Very easy. Okay, so now these are not symmetrical. I can tell they're not symmetrical, okay? So let me do that thing where I open my eye really wide and connect my liner. Okay? I know it's a little bit of a difference, but it makes a big difference to me. Okay. All right. See? Look at that. Nice little wing. I like to do mine a little more up because I follow the line, like basically I make a line with my lower lid and follow that with the liner. You see that? That's how I do it. If you have hooded lids, it's going to be very difficult for you to do a winged liner. If you do, you'll probably have to do it more out. You gotta be careful with that because it can kind of drag your eye line down. So if you have very hooded eyes, especially if you have very hooded eyes like where it covers everything. You're just gonna want to probably avoid doing a winged liner or focus on doing your liner on the bottom. All right, I'm gonna put my mascara on and I will be right back. Okay, all done. So, few tips for you guys. Just make sure you use that stamp and drag technique. Use the tip to create the wing, and then stamp and drag with your liner. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so that you can stay in the loop for future videos. Thanks guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.